chicken and cheese bread rolls. To make the dough, 2 cups flour, 1 tsp yeast, 1 tsp sugar, 2 tsp oil, 1 tsp salt, 1 egg, 1/2 cup warm milk. One-half cup water is needed. Knead into an old bowl. Rest for 2 hours. For the filling, 1/2 cup chopped onion, shredded chicken, 1 tsp black pepper, 1 tsp paprika, 1 tsp soy sauce, 2 tsp ketchup, chopped green chili. Take your rice dough and roll out small portions. Fill with chicken and mozzarella cheese. Egg wash and top with sesame seeds. Bake for 25 minutes until risen at 350°C.